Hello everyone, this is your Lucky Charm, Lucky here. First and foremost, I want to wish the most adorable and the most precious person of my life a very happy birthday. And that's none other than Bindu ma'am. Bindu ma'am is someone who I can never replace. She's not like my mother, but she is my mother. Everyone would be like, oh my god, she's a teacher, like how could you just say they are your second mother. But definitely I cannot say that, because if there's someone who I can approach other than my mom, it would be definitely be Bindu ma'am. The thing is that the first day onwards, she has always been there with me and always have given those encouraging words to me that I always remind myself, and then she is like a best friend, the most coolest person in this world. I actually wonder, is she actually a teacher or my best buddy? Definitely my best buddy before the teacher. Come on, I can never forget that day. You ask me after I grow maybe 50 years old or something, and you ask me the day when I met Bindu ma'am, I'll still tell you each and every single detail. So it all happened in 2018 when I was in 10th grade. And it's like we didn't have any physics teacher, and we were told that our HOD will be coming from the boys section. We were like, oh my god, boys section, oh my god, will she be strict, oh my god, how will she be teaching? And then we were stressing out. And then one day I was sitting, I could see from there's a glass thing, and then I could see, okay, a person with the most brightest smile just came walking through. I was like, did an angel enter the classroom right now? And she was like, hello everyone, I'm Bindu Anil Kumar and I'll be teaching you physics. I was like, definitely. I won't be learning physics, but I'll be having fun, that's for sure. So that was the first day with Bindu ma'am, and believe me, she is the most coolest person. And I remember every single day with her. It's not only just me, it's like everyone in 10D class. I have so many moments with her. You can't even call that just physics class, because come on, she teaches chemistry, she teaches biology, she teaches English, she teaches social studies, she teaches at last physics. Seriously. It's like more than study, she just creates a comfortable zone, and more than studying is just chit-chatting and then complaining about stuffs. And then she just just brags about how cool is life, how we must enjoy and then live life to the fullest and put on a smile on our face. And then it was so optimistic. There is this one thing to make us, we are very chill, very chaotic people, and to control us, she'll be like, 1, 2, we had this smart rule, and then she used to make me laugh so much, so much. And then believe me, no class, I could bet, okay, no class would have learned physics like us. We'll be reciting the law, maybe right hand rule of Fleming's rule, and then the whole section used to learn because of us screaming the law out. So nice. There was times when she would just be talking about the subject, and then suddenly she'll just deviate to something else, and then it just goes on. The bell rings and she'll be like, today also I couldn't teach. And she never used to allow me to run first. Like I told you, she's my mom, right? Now, aside my parents and aside my friends, if I could say one person who have influenced me in my extracurricular activities, would be definitely Bindu ma'am. She's, I don't know, it's not just me, but each and every single person, she saw that person and understood. It's not just academics you must focus or something. She will be like, okay, this girl is good at this. You need to continue that. You know, with studies, you can't, always, getting full marks and all. Okay, that I want you to get full marks. But this is more important. And then I remember she calls me the powerhouse of talents. Like you can see in the intro, LD Lucky, the powerhouse of talents. It's none other than the title given by Bindu ma'am to me. And I can never forget those words she always sends, either through WhatsApp or personally she comes and talks with me or anything at all. She always tells, girl, child, my dear darling, please, you must go on with your studies as well as your passion for dance or your passion for anything at all. Go for it. Just don't look at the negative side or think you would fail at it, but just go for it and try it out. And she's okay. She's too sweet. It's not just the class I miss, it's her. It's like I told you, it's her first girls batch, I guess, was 10D. Each and every single one of us miss her so much. We always say, man, wish we had Bindu ma'am. Man, Bindu ma'am is like so sweet and so kind to us. Man, Bindu ma'am is the only cool teacher in this world. She is like this, she is like that, she's a sweetheart, she's an angel. But seriously, there is no day where I not cry because I miss her so freaking much. Like you ask me the laws right now, I still can't tell you, even though I learned it 2 years back. Because she just made sure we learned it. It just got stored in our head rather than us mugging up the stuff. It's not only her teaching techniques, but her loving words. She just made sure that we had someone to, hug. We had someone to, spend our emotions out, and then someone we can talk to without even thinking. She, you can tell her any secret, it will forever remain a secret. And I seriously miss you, Bindu ma'am, please. Once all this corona finish, I'm literally coming and giving you the biggest ever hug. Okay, I don't care if there's corona also, I'm just coming, okay? I seriously have no words to say to you, Bindu ma'am, because I always tell the same thing, because the amount of overwhelming feeling I have when I talk about you is something I can't express just through words. But all I gotta say to you is that please take care of your health, because we, not only we, but the people who are coming from 5th grade, from KG1 onwards, who are coming now, they need you. We need you, ma'am. We need a teacher like you. You are not just a teacher to us, but someone who we want in our lives. So please do take care of your health, and please learn to sit. Sit in class. Now you will be sitting at home and teaching online, but once we come back to school, hopefully we have a day like that. Please do sit in the class and teach. You stand 24/7 and then teach on the board, but yeah. And also one more thing, ma'am, you have the most beautiful smile. I can see all your beautiful teeth, and I'm like, her smile is so contagious. Ma'am, keep that smile always on your face, because we all 10D students had a smile on our face because of you. You just made our lives more colorful. Your words repeat in our head every single time we open our books. Doesn't matter if we are taking business now, it doesn't matter, because your words, you have taught us all the subjects. So yeah. Also, other thing I want to say is that, ma'am, I want to give you the most biggest ever virtual hug, and then I love you so much. You have no clue. I love you so much. So much that Okay, I might go emotional now if I say something more. So I just want to conclude over here telling you, ma'am, you are an amazing person and we want you in our lives forever. Please do take care of your health and I love you so much. This is your lucky